In this video, we are going to cover the greetings in Georgian. Not only are we going to tell you the words you need to use for each greetings, we will also tell you the meaning and the origin.
Didi madloba. Didi.
Is an adjective.
Საქართველო არის დიდი.
Means Georgia is big. The word
Madloba.
comes from the word.
Madli.
It is a noun and it means grace, and if you say,
Madlieri var.
it means, I am grateful, a fancy way to say thanks in Georgian.
Arapris.
When someone tells you thank you,
Madloba.
you can answer.
Arapris.
This word is based on two words.
Ara.
And
Peri. Ara.
means no and
Peri.
means color. For Georgians, saying no color is a metaphoric way to say, nothing, you are welcome.
Gamarjoba.
Comes from the word victory.
Gamarjoba.
Therefore, while meeting, all Georgians greet and wish to each other successful and victorious day.
Gaumārģos.
Is an expression that you can use if you have a drink with someone. It can be translated by cheers. It also comes from the noun victory, and by the way, a verb derives from this noun.
Gaumārģos. Gaumārģos.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Done? Thank you.
Tu შეიძლება.
Means please.
Tu.
Means if in Georgian. And the word
შეიძლება.
is derives from the verb can, even though it has no pronouns in this expression.
Კარგად.
Is derived from the adjective
Კარგი.
and is comparable to the expression take care in English.
Კარგად. Კარგად. სასიამოვნოა.
Comes from the adjective.
სასიამოვნო.
The letter
A.
at the end of the word stands for
არის.
the third person singular of the verb to be, but we will speak about it in another chapter.
სასიამოვნოა.
Could be translated by it's a pleasure.
ნახვამდის.
Means see you later. It is a compound word, which means that it is made with the verb
ნახვა.
meaning to see and the postposition
ნდე.
meaning until. Let's practice. Read and then repeat.
დიდი მადლობა. არაფრის. გამარჯობა.
გაუმარჯოს. ნახვამდის.
კარგად. თუ შეიძლება.
Translate into Georgian. Thanks.
დიდი მადლობა.
You're welcome.
არაფრის.
Nice to meet you. Cheers.
Kaumarģos.
See you later.
Naხვამდის.
Bye.
კარგად.
Please.
თუ შეიძლება.
End of the lesson.